Our oval brush is great for every project. It comes in 1.5 and 2 inches. Our 3/4 of an inch filbert brush is great for sharp edges and soft edge shapes. Our 1/2 inch filbert brush is great for blending and making round edges. Our number 8 flat brush is great for more straight line and square shapes. Our number 6 angle brush is great for simple and clean lines. Our number 4 angle brush, just like the number 6, is great for clean lines and great for anything with grooves like cabinets and ornate furniture pieces. Whenever starting a new project, I always paint the background first. Our built-in primer paint is perfect for getting your canvas layer ready. I always prefer using a bigger brush for painting the background of my canvas. Here I used our 1.5 inch oval brush for the most coverage. For the stems and leaves, I chose the number 8 flat brush. For a more layered look, I am heavily applying the paint. Coverage is up to you. If you want it a bit cleaner and more delicate looking, use less paint. For the larger flowers and details, I use a 3/4 inch filbert brush to create soft edged shapes. For these smaller details, I am using the number 8, but if you're going for a cleaner line, either of the flat brushes would be a great choice. For the smaller to medium flowers, I used the 1/2 inch filbert brush. It's great for rounded edges, making it perfect for flower petals. I waited until the background was completely dry before adding my layers, but if you want a less flat look and a more blended look, apply it when the background is still wet. And here I go using all of our 5 different artist brushes and 8 different paint colors to paint my very own garden that I can enjoy all year round. Our paint has such a beautiful opaque nature to it. Layering colors on top of each other is really easy, and the results are some beautiful contrast. And here I am adding the last little details, putting new layers over top of the red, and just really playing. Anybody can paint with our paint. It's not only for furniture, you can use it on craft projects, you can use it on canvas. It's very easy and it's very fun. Thanks for following along with this demo. If you have any questions or if you have any suggestions for demos or tutorials you'd like to see, contact us.